Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for all of you, my friends, because Hedera Hashgraph will get a 6.02% profit. So I think it's a very good profit now, my friend, and every coin will pumps up after a very big dump. My friend, the exact Hedera Hashgraph price will very cheap now, 0.3 USD dollar. This is the latest price, my friend, of Hedera Hashgraph. So it's very cheap now. So if you want to invest, if you want to get a profit, now invest now, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my friend, to Hedera Hashgraph will give you a very good profit. So please try to understand. To this is a very big chance. Don't miss this chance. And I hope, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. So my friend, in those days, all currency were very badly falls down. But sometime, my friend, after a short dump, every coin will pump up. So therefore, I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to please hold now. I hope they will make you millionaire now. So my brother, in those days, Hedera Hashgraph CEO, my friend, also tell this, my friends, to upcoming time we will need to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, if you also, my friends, want to get a profit now, just and only hold now. I hope they will make you millionaire now. Hedera Hashgraph holder, please try to understand. In those days, my friend, you will need, my friends, to be gone, my friend, very fastly, because you will need, if you are investing, my invest now in those days, so definitely they will get a profit. So go now, urgently invest now for a 3 or 4 days, and absolutely get a very good profit. So thanks for watching my all viewers, my subscriber. Please remember to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.